Good morning, children. Today we are starting a new chapter, Temperate Climate, Grasslands. As we all know, the climate of the world is different in different places. In some places, it has extreme climate, very hot summer and very cold winters. Like that, some places receive sufficient rainfall, some gets very heavy rainfall. So, the places where we get only sufficient rainfall, in such places or regions, only grasses can grow. And such grasslands are found in the temperate zone. Temperate zone. Do you remember? We read this in chapter 3. Temperate zone, the region lying between the torrid and the frigid zone on both sides of the equator, is known as the temperate zone. These grasslands are known by different names in different continents. Like in South America, grasslands are known as pampas. In Australia, grasslands are known as down. In Russia, grasslands are known as steppes. In South Africa, grasslands are known as field. In America, this region is known as prairies. Prairies is a French word which means meadows or grassland. The common features of these grasslands are that they are usually found on the plains, not on mountains. No trees are found in these regions. All grasslands covered large areas of land. Before the settlement of Europeans, these regions were the grazing grounds for herds of bisons. And there is a lot of difference between grasslands of the northern hemisphere and those of the southern hemisphere. During winter months, the northern part of the grasslands are covered with snow, but in the southern hemisphere there is no snow. The prairies are the grasslands of North America. These are flatlands without trees. The major grasslands in this region are Great Plains of the Midwest. These areas are located away from the seas. The grasslands are found between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south. They are located in the central part of North America. This region is an endless flat plains with no big trees inside. Now, these prairies are the biggest wheat growing regions in the world. Earlier, it was covered with thick grass. But still there are few prairies which is untouched by human activities. Climate. Temperatures in temperate grassland vary according to the season. In winters, temperatures can plummet to well below 0 degrees Fahrenheit in some areas. In summer, temperatures can reach above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It means it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The area receives moderate rainfall mostly during spring, and these regions, being situated away from the sea in the interior of the continents, The climate is little affected by the sea. As a result, it is suitable for the growth of grasses. Vegetation. Prairies stretch over hundreds of kilometers. Trees are not seen except along the rivers. The grasses grow quickly in spring and change to hay in autumn. The trees found in these regions are pine, fir, spruce. These trees are large cone shaped which have straight trunk and small branches. Once the European settlers were using these grassland as grazing grounds, but today they turn this land as a farmland. Corn or maize is produced in the eastern part, wheat is in the central part, and the western region is used for cattle rearing. Trees are mostly found near the Mississippi rivers. Mississippi rivers provide irrigation facility to this region. Animal life. Animals like deer, horses, dogs, wolves, etc. are found here. Domestic animals such as cows, sheep, bullocks, goat, horses, donkeys are numerous because of the green pastures, as grasses and other low plants suitable for grazing animals, especially cattle. Mostly plants and seed-eater birds are found in the grasslands. Birds like bustards, falcon, hawks, owls, and eagles are the common birds found in this region. Other predators like rattlesnake and bull snakes are also found here. Insects like grasshopper, leafhopper, and spiders are found here. Life of the people. The European settlers made the grassland into farmlands. These farmlands are vast and cover large areas. Farmers and their families live here. Even workers also live in homesteads. Separate sheds for cattle and farm machineries are built. Big machines are used to do the work in the farms. These machines do the plowing, sowing, reaping, threshing, and winnowing. It also helps in storing the food grains in big storage bins called silos. Wheat is the main crop grown here, and other important crops grown in this region are corn, barley, rye, oats, and other nutritious grasses. The wheat is also exported to other countries. The prairies are known as the wheat basket of the world because of huge production. The western part is hilly and soil is rough and is not suitable for cultivation of crops. Only grasses can grow here, and these places are used for cattle rearing. These cattle grazing areas are called ranches. People rear cattle mainly for beef. That is why big cattle farms are developed here. Meat is the staple food of Americans and exported to European countries. Chicago is the main center of meat packing and dairy products. Dairy farming is also done with modern facilities. The prairies are well known for minerals like lignite, coal, and mineral oil. The life of people are improving due to scientific and technological advancement. However, the living of people is mainly influenced by the climatic condition of the region. Thank you.